Thutha wa guthii na mbere na guikara Kenya makiria ma thiku 180 muhunjia mwogomu Paul Mackenzie wa Good News International riu ni ekuhingurirwo thitango ica ikuhi.
Head of the SHAKAHOLA investigations.
Ndeto neheanitwo thutha wa kurikirira gwa CIIKARO cia kamiti ya mwanya ya Senate iria irathuthuria ikuũ ici thutha wa gucemania na ruhonge rwa DCI muhunjia Ezekiel Odero wa New Life gatagati ka AIRA.
In consultation with the other prosecutorial organs, they will be presenting the proper charges before court in a very short while, and the expectation is that it will not be any longer than 30 days, maybe to finalize.
MWANYA wa kamiti ino uria no senator wa Tana River DANSON MUNGATANA akihe a Kenya na aria mahutitio na njira nene ni ikuũ ici kiraniro gia kihoto kuoneka.
Kenyans are not going to wait any longer. This is going to be done, and the journey towards finding justice for all the victims of SHAKAHOLA, the family members who have been there waiting, it is about to be finalized. They have informed us that they have collected over 200 witness statements. They have worked out on other necessary details, and we believe their statement that within a short while they should be finalizing the work they are doing.
Maya magithiaga na mbere kamiti ino ni yukiriire muthuthuria munene wa mire wa thirikari Johansen Oduor one thutha wa kumethema makiria ya maita matatu niguo kuhungwo ni kamiti ino uria kwari mutito-ini wa SHAKAHOLA.
Hatukupata maelezo yoyote wala barua yoyote kutoka kwake. Kwa hivyo tunasema ile hatua tuliyosema ya kwamba alipe 1500 taslimu kama faini, hiyo lazima itekelezwe, na itatekelezwa na yeye binafsi na sio wizara anayotoka huko.
Kiume kihituku kamiti ino ni yahurire Oduor faini ya shilingi 500 na gwatha munene wa borithi amuikie ngono gukinyiria umuthi no undu na kinyanira.
Kama kuna mtu katika serikali anajaribu kuficha ama kuprotect, sisi kama Senate tunasema ni makosa makubwa sana. Manake wananchi wa Kenya wanataka kujua ukweli.
Mwikoiro munene wa njuragano ici Paul Mackenzie onake ndanekinye thutha wa ruhonge rwa njera kuga rutirari no hoti wa gukinyaniria ritana ria kamiti ino.
Kenyans wanted to hear Mr. Mackenzie to say his side of the story, and if I was his lawyer, I would have wanted him to appear before this committee. We just wanted him to clarify. Did you own the property under which the investigations were being carried? Were you preaching starvation to see Jesus? There are very many questions that were relevant for him to clarify.
Thutha wa gwikora hajeke MUNGATANA ni ateteire ikinya ria kamiti ino gucera kanitha-ini wa Ezekiel Odero muthi wa ira riu akiuga kamiti ino igukorwo ikiandika riboti yayo na kumineana mbere ya bunge ya Senate gukinya wa gatatu kiumia giki.
When we went, we saw the place that is supposed to be the mortuary. There was it's a powerhouse. That's where the generator that is circulating power around there was there.
The wa thiku 30 mwikoiro munene wa njuragano ya Kimumu mutito-ini wa SHAKAHOLA Paul Mackenzie ni ukorwo agikinyio igoti-ini thutha wa DCI kurikiriria uthuthuria wake. Ngiribotera Kameme TV kuma mucii munene wa Nairobi, Njeta Gitau wa Wanjikũ.